go, Mark. Today we're going outside. See if we can free up this celica. It's still ugly out here. I will show y'all. It's foggy and everything. Let's see what we got in this celica. Ooh, this shit ain't nothing but ice, man. Look. Straight ice, look. Straight ice. This thing got a little free. Thing got free. Man, it ain't nothing but ice. Free. Free, huh? We'll pull it on there, take it for a spin. See if we can slide around. Check me out, guys. About ice. About ice. Spit of this thing, U-turn. Oh, Lord, look at the ice in front of me, man. We gonna have to freeze that time. Super fog out here, guys. We out here though. Spinning the wheels and all. Look at the fog over there. Anything. Flying. Knock my oil pan out. Check them out, man. They out here too. Everybody out here, man. Boy, this is Toyota boy. Outside on E, gang. Streets, man. Turn them look like wiping noise out, man. Got a rag guy. Hope they don't slide into nobody else. Ooh, it'll be there. Oh, whoa. Yeah, getting a little loose behind him. Can't let y'all see my street sign. You got them stalkers and night walkers, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just a chef, man, trying to barbecue something. One day I'll sit down and talk to y'all all about this car, man. I done put a lot of miles on this car myself, man. About 50. About 50K, man. Since I had, yes, sir. Hold on, bro. That ugly ass is true. I know you Yoda gang, but still, just out my way. Yes, sir. Ooh, so much ice at the top of my street, y'all. I ain't gonna need hold y'all. I don't know if I want a paw bag right here, kind. Ain't nothing but ice, but I will make it do what it do. Set that baby back down in there. Thing running, man. We drove. We freed that boy. Free that boy, put him back where he go. Freed that boy, man. Yes, sir. They freed him up from the ice storm, man. Still got rain coming down. Yes, sir. I'm gonna take this tire. Well, I'm gonna take the car and get the tire repaired in a minute, man. I really don't care though. But I'm gonna do what I gotta do for it. Yes, sir. Where we running on 29? Yes, sir. I still took it on the ride. Almost was on flat, guys. Got that boy percolating. Yes, percolating.